Hi friends, in a previous video we have learned what is chemical reaction and equation with activity 1.1, 2 and 3. We have also learned the basic concept of oxidation reduction and redox reaction with reference to classical and electronic view. Now in today's video we are going to continue the chapter 1 of class 10 CBSE board chemical equations and reactions with corrosion, rancidity, respiration and combustion. Now let's start our video. First topic is corrosion. What is corrosion? Corrosion is a chemical process of slow eating up of the surfaces of certain metals when kept and open for a long time. It is a covering, corrosion means a covering of some unwanted or undesirable components which slowly eat up the surfaces of certain metals when they are kept and open for a long time. Both corrosion and rusting are harmful. What is rusting? To explain what is rusting, let's focus to this reaction. Here, 2 mole of iron are reacting with 3/2 molecule of oxygen with indefinite molecules of water. These are reactants. And these which combines to give hydrated ferric oxide, that is a rust. This hydrated ferric oxide, that is Fe2O3, is product, means these reactions are combining together to give this hydrated ferric oxide. Now what is rust? I told you this is a rust. What is rust? A thin layer of iron oxide on the surface of iron metal or its alloy. For example, ये iron bar है. It was ये iron bar था. Example कि ये iron bar, ये molecule है. ये कंबाइन होता है ऑक्सीजन एयर में. एयर में ऑक्सीजन होती है तो ऑक्सीजन इसके साथ रिएक्ट करती है. ऑक्सीजन और वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स इसके साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं, जिसमें वाटर के मॉलिक्यूल्स इनडेफिनेट होते हैं. तो जब ये रिएक्ट करते हैं तो ये एक रेडिश ब्राउन रेडिश कलर देता है. एज आई थिंक यू आर एबल टू सी द ब्राउन रेडिश कलर. तो ये है हाइड्रेटेड फेरिक ऑक्साइड, दैट इज अ रस्ट. तो आई थिंक ये जब रेस्ट हो जाता है तो इसको हम कहते हैं रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन. दिस इज द रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन. एसिडिक मीडियम increases the rate of rusting. Acidic mediums increases the rate of rusting. I told you both corrosion and rusting are harmful. Now what is the difference between corrosion and rusting? Rusting only takes place in iron or its alloys, but corrosion takes place in all the metals. It takes place in the metals. In copper metal, tarnish or patina takes place. Okay? This patina is a naturally discoloration or fading. Okay, it is a natural discoloration or fading. It is a green coating, copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. That the green coating is known as the copper carbonate or copper and copper hydroxide, that are called the basic carbonate. For example, this is made up of copper. Okay, you're able to see the green coating. This green coating is the basic carbonate. Inside also the green coating is there. Green coating, that is the basic carbonate. That is made up of copper. I have kept it for open for a long time. The corrosion has taken place in this utensil, and the green coating is there. That is called the basic carbonate. In silver metal, tarnish also takes place. Tarnish is here is black coating. Here is black coating, and in copper is the green coating. This black coating is known as silver sulfide. Silver sulfide. पहले सिल्वर का ये कलर था, the white. Now ये सिल्वर कॉइन है. इसको मैंने रख दिया है. ये बहुत टाइम तक बाहर था. I kept it for a long time open for a long time. Corrosion has taken place. पहले इसका कलर क्या था? White. And now black coating आ गई इसके ऊपर, and you can see the difference. The corrosion has not taken place here, but it has taken place here. So you can see the color changes. Same way in this glass also, it is of silver. The black coating has taken place here. In it, corrosion has taken place. So that black coating was called the silver sulfide. Now is rancidity. Rancidity is slow oxidation of oil and fats present in the food materials, resulting in some bad, foul, unpleasant smelling compounds. ये फूड है. ये फूड है. ओके, इसमें ऑयल्स है और फैट्स भी है. दोनों इसमें प्रेजेंट होते हैं फूड में. अब इस फूड को हमने अच्छी तरीके से इसका केयर नहीं की इस फूड की. तो क्या हुआ, इसमें ऑक्सीडेशन हो गया. मीन्स अगर मैंने इसको खुले में छोड़ दिया, लाइक समटाइम अगर हम बिस्किट के पैकेट को, हम नमकीन के पैकेट को खोल दिया है और हमने थोड़ी देर के लिए इसको यहाँ रख दिया, तो व्हाट विल हैपन, द ऑक्सीडेशन विल टेक्स प्लेस. ऑक्सीडेशन आएगा, और ऑक्सीडेशन जब होगा तो ये हमारे फूड को कंटामिनेटेड कर देगा. और हमें जब कंटामिनेटेड हो गया, ये हमें कैसे पता चलता है? हमें तब पता चलता है जब ये देता है फाउल, अनप्लीजेंट और बैड स्मेल. That is called the rancidity of food item or any eatable. The methods are VRNS, we can interchange. V for vacuum packing, airtight packing. हमें हमेशा फूड को एयरटाइट कंटेनर्स में रखना चाहिए. Second is our refrigerators. The leftover packets or food item eatables should be kept in the refrigerator immediately. Then is nitrogen replaced by air. अब फूड पैकेजिंग को जब हमने पैकेज किया तो इसमें ऑक्सीजन तो डाल नहीं सकते, अदरवाइज ऑक्सीडेशन विल टेक्स प्लेस. और जब ऑक्सीडेशन हो जाएगा तो हमारा फूड कंटामिनेटेड हो जाएगा. तो नाइट्रोजन इनर्ट होती है. तो हम लोगों ने इसमें नाइट्रोजन फिल की है. ये जो एयर होता है पैकेट में, ये नाइट्रोजन है. Nitrogen is filled in the food packages to drive out oxygen and to reduce the bacterial growth. Next, last but not the least, is the sunlight. VRNS method slow down the process of rancidity. Now is respiration and combustion. Respiration is a biochemical process in which energy is released in the cells. The reaction is C6H12O6, that is the glucose, reacts with 6 mole of O2, that is oxygen, to give 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus ATP, that is the currency of energy in cells. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate, and it is 38 ATP. 38 ATP is the product when glucose and oxygen are reacting. So this is exothermic in nature, as the energy is released, and these are the waste products. Now combustion, a substance which burns or get oxidized in the presence of air or oxygen is called the combustion. Methane reacts with 2 mole of oxygen to give CO2 plus 2 mole of H2O plus heat. It is exothermic in nature and it is oxidation reaction. The environment pollution is there due to the combustion, as the harmful gases are released in the combustion, that are carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, etc. Now is the worksheet. Name the substance oxidized, reduced, oxidizing and reducing agent. There are 2 examples. I will explain, rest you have to do. Now, in our first example, here zinc oxide and carbon is there. Zinc is reducing and the agent will be oxidizing agent. This zinc is reducing, so it will be reduction, and the agent will be oxidizing agent. The carbon is here is the addition of oxygen, so there will be oxidation, and the agent will be reducing agent. जब भी रिडक्शन होता है तो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट होता है, और जब ऑक्सीडेशन होता है तो रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट होता है, और जब किसी भी रिएक्शन में दोनों होते हैं तो वो होता है रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. This was classical view. Next, this is reducing, that is reduction. Copper का reduction है, and here is the addition of oxygen, so is oxidation. Reducing में oxidizing agent होता है, और oxidation में होता है reducing agent. As I told you, it's the same as earlier, and it is called a redox reaction. Rest of the questions will be for you.
Pause करना है. Pause. 30 seconds.
So these were, these are the questions which you can practice while learning this chapter. So our next video will be continued, this chapter will be continued as 3rd and 4th part also. In our next video, we will learn how to balance the chemical equations. Worksheet also will do. Types of chemical reaction will also do. And we'll also practice the previous year questions. See you next time. Thank you for watching.